So in this problem, we're going to define b of x to be the area of the rectangle, this red guy right here, whose lower left corner is the origin, that's this right here, and whose upper right corner is the point on the function. So for example, we could, if we went over to 1, this guy right here would be what we're looking for. So b of 1 is the area that we'd see in this blue box. Okay, let me erase that. Whereas b of 1.5 roughly, it looks like, is the area inside this red box. If we go over to 2, b of 2 is equal to this area right here. And if I continue to go on, b of 3 would be this total area right here. So hopefully you're following me now. Okay. So we need to go ahead and evaluate some of these values. Okay, so for example, b of 3 is equal to 6. So let's just see how you get that. Well, you go over to 3, you come up to the function, you come over to the axis, so the height of the function, lower left corner, upper right corner. We want this area in here. So b of 3 is equal to a base length of 3 times a height length of 2, which is 6. That's where this comes from right here. Now, what I would do is if you understand that and you think that you can go back through and complete that problem, I would take a minute, pause the video, and go back through and work B1, B2, B4, and B5 before you play the rest of this to see if your solutions are correct, because I'm going to go through it right now. So what is B of 1? Okay, well, B of 1 is the box drawn from an x value of 1 up to the height of the function and over. So this is b of 1. The base length is 1. The height is 2. And so b of 1 has a total area of 2 square units, whatever these units happen to be. Okay, let's look b of 2. Well, I go over to 2, go up to the function, draw a line over. I'm looking for that area in there. So that again is a base of 2 times a height of 1, which is 2. Notice that b of 1 and b of 2 are two different rectangles, right? There they both are, but they both have the same area. Okay. b of 3 we've already done, so b of 4. Again, if you are catching on now, pause the video and try 4 and 5 on your own. Okay, the more you can do on your own, the more successful you'll be. Okay, use these videos as a backup, as a way to make sure or verify that you're doing things correctly. Don't use them to fully learn the material. Do some thinking on your own. So b of 4. Now this one's a tough one because it looks like it's at a height right in between 1 and 2. So we're going to say it's 1.5. So b of 4 is 1.5 times a base length of 4. So that's 4, 5, 6. It looks like this has got a value of 6. Okay, and then the last one, b of 5. So we'll go over to 5. We'll figure out what its height value is. It looks like it's at a height of 1. So that's 5 times a height of 1, which is equal to just 5.